easy sounds.
We will show you today. These are the things you will need.
Here are some safety tips before we begin.
First, we're going to use a metal bowl.
Next, we'll put the cling film over the metal bowl.
Make sure it is nice and tight. Take a little bit of rice and place it over the cling film.
First, you can get a pan or a tin and then make noise using the pan or the tin.
Maybe try different sounds or instruments.